Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to create this neutral glam look that'll go with any dress for any occasion, please continue watching. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, I'm really nervous right now. This is my first YouTube video ever. You guys welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We're keeping that.
No, we're not. I don't know how to act on camera. So, I'm so nervous. So, press F for respect, and let's get this bread. Let's get right to it. Oh, no. I don't know why I did that. So first, I start by priming my face with this Tea Tree Pore Minimizer. Focus. Go over it with my Becca Instant Complexion Fresh First Light Priming Filter. It's purple, and I was kind of freaked out when I bought this because I was like, it's purple. But honestly, you can't even tell that it's purple. I just kind of put it on, swoop it all over my face like this, and just kind of blend it in with my fingers. Ew. So after I have, hold on, coffee break. After I put on my primers, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. So I know everyone does their makeup a little differently. I personally like to start with my eyes first and then beat my face. Do you start with your face or your eyes?
My face.
Well, I start with my eyes, and that's the right way. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out. Actually, I don't start with my eyes, I start with my eyebrows. Oops, sorry, my bad. Let's get started with my eyebrows. So I already have pretty prominent brows. I feel like I don't really need to fill them in, so I don't really fill them in on a daily. But if I want that little extra pop, so I start off with my Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow by Benefit, and I basically just outline the edges of my eyebrow. I already have pretty defined brows, so I can't really reshape them however I want. I just kind of got to go with it, unless I shaved off my eyebrows, which would be a look, but fortunately I'm not bold enough. So, and as I get closer to the beginning of my brow, I'm gonna go lighter with my stroke so it just kind of blends in. Blend it in. And these brushes, I don't really know where I got them. Actually, I lied. Got them off of Amazon. They're this really cool little unicorn rainbow glitter set. And I literally love them because I love unicorns and I love rainbows. So I was like, why not get a unicorn rainbow brush? That's what I did. Next brow. Like same as last time, I'm gonna go over the top and really outline just the top line. And go underneath my brow until I have a really nice little outline, if you can see that. And I'm just gonna fill it in. Where's my coffee? I don't even know if this is concealer or foundation. I kind of just found it. And I'm gonna start using it because I cannot believe my phone just dropped. Hello, welcome back. That was really embarrassing. That's fine. Okay. So this is really light for me, which is why I use it as concealer, because I thought it was going to be my right shade of foundation, but obviously I was wrong because it's not. You can see the difference here? Look, that's like white and I am brown. I'm just going to basically underline the bottom of my brow to make it just more clean and crisp, and then blend it downward so I can prime my eyelid for eyeshadow. So as usual, I'm going to go on the bottom all the way and just halfway up through the top, because doing it all the way through makes it look like I have floating eyebrows, and you really don't want to do that because it looks so tacky and gross. After I have my brows on, I'm going to continue prepping my eyelids, and I'm just going to dip into the same concealer I was using to cut out my brows to kind of set my eyelid. Okay, after I do that, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's just powder. I'm going to start my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. I'm really obsessed with this palette. It's so pretty and it's so nice. And it's so pigmented. So Lily love her the most. And then the Natasha Denona Mini Sunset Palette. She's so pretty. Ooh, ah. And lastly, the Morphe 35F Fall Into Frost Palette. So, I'm going to start by working on my crease and setting it with this color right here. I'm just going to work on the outside, kind of just work it into my crease. It's going to be like your base color, so you just want to make sure it's thoroughly blended on both eyes. Next, those girls. I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade of brown over here. I was just over here. And I'm going to try not to blend it out so much as I did last time. And blend, blend, blend. So like now that my base is starting to kind of come together, not terrible. Wow, good job, Shreya. I'm going to go in with something a little more dramatic. I love Harry Potter, and anyone knows me would know that I'm literally obsessed, and I wish I was at Hogwarts right now. At age 11, I was very disappointed when I did not get my letter. Dumbledore, if you're listening, please subscribe to my channel. Also send me a letter. It's not too late for me to attend. I'm trying to make this like a soft glam kind of look, so it's gotta be soft, but it's also gotta be glam, which I don't know where you really draw the line. So we're gonna go in with this little ABH brush that comes with the ABH palettes. Dip it into this one and really kind of beat it into the little corner, outer corner over here, and bring it into the crease. And now this is gonna be a little hard, but I'm gonna try not to make this look ugly. Gonna go in with some brown and kind of marry the crease together. Take some of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Those are literally the exact same brush. This is a little more flat though, so I'm gonna go with this one. As you can see, I'm not fully cutting it out. I'm just kind of outlining it, just so I have like a nicer base to put the shadow on. And there you go, look at that. I'll be somewhere in like 3 hours. Am I anywhere near ready? No. Dress reveal. This is the dress. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the glitter. I'm gonna use my little Prep and Prime spray thing. I got this little mini sample thing because I don't know if I like it or not. Everyone uses it, so I'm like, we'll see. I'm gonna pack this glitter on right here. What was that? That's my unit. Oh my god! Oh my god, that's it. Yes, you can see me. Okay, we're gonna take this little brush that we have not used yet. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh my god, you're kidding. Okay, sister popped off. Look at this color. And now I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona palette. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. This is so stressful. Eyeliner stresses me out so much. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Okay, earthquake. Okay, let's do my eyeliner. Please pray for me and hope that I do not mess it up, because I will cry. Gonna clean up the ends. Introduce y'all to my puppy. This is Teddy. Hey, say hi. No, he's not potty trained. Yes, he pees everywhere. Like and subscribe if you think I'm cute. So I did my other eyeliner off camera. The next step is my face. This is my least favorite part of makeup. Putting on face makeup. Because I just feel so disgusting. I hate putting on face makeup. Like, I put it on, I'm like, I need more. It's never enough. Ew, 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 ew. Go up. I've already primed my face. So now all I have to do is put on makeup. And I really don't want to do that, but that's fine. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to take my NARS and just put it all over my little blemishes right now. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This looks kind of gross. I don't know what to do. Actually, before I put on my concealer, I'm going to set my actual foundation with some powder. I'm using the BH Studio Pro. Cameron gave this to me because she thought this was her shade, and it was not. And we're very different shades. So, don't know why she thought this shade was her shade, but she bought it, and it was actually my shade, so I snatched it. Thank you, Cam, for allowing me to snatch it. So then we're going to take our Fenty matchsticks in Espresso, one of the darkest shades, because I am brown. We're going to use this to contour our face. My lips look crusty. To set my cream concealer, I'm going to go with the Maybelline Fit Me powder concealer. Now I'm going to bake my face. I use the Maybelline thing. Just wait for like 5 seconds. This is the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule by Fenty. And I'm going to set it with my Tarte. And for the highlight, I'm going to go in with the Dual Finish Highlighter by Blanco. I'm forgetting something. On lashes, duh. So I know I said this was going to be a natural glam. It turned out to be kind of more glam. So sorry about that. A lip gloss. This is the Fenty Lip Gloss in Fussy. And just like that, this makeup look is complete. So this is the completed look. If you liked it, please keep watching my future videos. Hopefully I have more content up in a week. Have a great day. This was my first YouTube video ever. Hopefully I get a little better at this. We'll see.